I got this box and let's see what inside this box. And as you can see guys, I got a Scuf controller, so let's fix it. And the customer said they have some issue on the stick, so let's connect it to gamepad tester and test it. But before do anything, if this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computers, so don't forget to give me like, subscribe and follow. And as the customer said, the left stick have some issue, and yes, they have a little bit issue on the left stick. So let's start to fix it. They have two screws here. They have two more screws, one under R1 and one under L1. So let's disconnect the battery. They have three more ribbon cables. This one first, second, and the last one here. Alright, so the board is ready to work. I need to replace this sensor. I take this sensor out, so let's clean this area. And this is a brand new sensor, so let's put it on solder. I clean all other sensor just in case, and I use alcohol to clean them. So let's return all the parts back and test. The battery is back, all ribbon cable is back, so let's return all other parts. The controller is ready, it's time to test. And as you can see guys, the left stick look like in good condition. Let's ship it back to the customer. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.